Hi, let me show you an egg boiler from Royal Catering. A device great for buffets in restaurants or hotels, and even in restaurants' kitchen. If you don't want to sacrifice one of your burners for boiling eggs on, let's say, the cold section, and if you're serving, let's say, a Caesar salad with a soft boiled egg, that's a device for you. All right, so let me just go through all the details. Well, first thing you can see is the two handles. So the device is designed to be portable. So you can set up your buffet and afterwards you can just take it into storage just by lifting it up, and you just, well, it's always a hassle to carry around kitchen equipment. This way, it's really handy and easy. Of course, stainless steel construction, as it is a standard for kitchen appliances, which makes it really easy to clean and maintain. Really easy to also descale it. It is quite efficient for such a compact package. It works with 2.6 kilowatts of power, so it gets it to the right temperature really quickly. As you can notice, also the egg cups. In the set you're getting 8 of these, and these are color coded. Some may ask what it's for. Well, if you put it outside on a buffet for your guests to serve themselves with the eggs on a breakfast buffet, they can actually pick the color, and they will know which egg is theirs. Also, if you're cooking different eggs for different temperatures, as you have also a very cool guide here on a sticker, how long it takes for each stage, you can also time your eggs with the help of these color codes. So let's say for a soft boiled egg, it's a gray one. For hard boiled egg, it's an orange one. So later on, you know which one is which. Also inside, the heating element is protected by a rack, just like this. So whatever falls outside of the cup, it will not drop directly on the heating element. This is actually quite a cool feature because it prolongs the life of the heating element, which is on the bottom. As you can see, these are the temperature controls. So these will along with the automated temperature control, control the temperature inside. So whatever you set, these are the thermometers that will keep it at the right stage. All right, so how about we see it in action? So I prepared some water. Let me just pour it in. Once you've put enough water in, and well, there is no marking inside on how much water it needs, so you just have to take one of the cups and, well, figure it out for yourself. The point is just so the egg is covered. So one thing to remember is do not overfill it, because once you bring it to boil, it may go over the edges. So you'll figure it out really quickly. You're the chef, right? So just measure it out, and after that you'll know. All right, so also in the set you get a lid for it. So this is actually to put it on top. Once you turn the temperature up, and you can set it up to 110 degrees. Obviously, water will not go above 100 degrees, but for the initial heating phase, when you want to boil the water, it's good to put it 110, and afterwards you just drop it on somewhere between 90 and 100, just for this nice soft boil, right? This is indicator. This will indicate that the heating element is working. As I said, inside there's this thermostat that will regulate the temperature inside. So you'll see this light flashing, because once it reaches the desired temperature, it will turn the heating element off and on in order to keep that temperature. All right, so now let's wait a second for the water to boil, and then we'll drop an egg inside. All right, the water is boiling. As you can see, just get rid of the excess drops. Drop it down to around 90, 100 degrees. And all you have to do now is just place an egg in a cup or holder and put it in the water. Let's do 2. Just like that. So this one I will keep for 3 minutes, this one I will keep for 5 minutes, and I have 2 different eggs and I know which one's which. So that's about it. If you're looking for a egg boiler or any catering equipment, just have a look at the website. There's a whole range of different machines for catering, for canteens and stuff like that. So have a look. Each machine from Royal Catering comes with a 3-year warranty, and it will be posted to you in a box just like this one. So really sturdy cardboard for a tight fit, lots of packaging material, so it will arrive to your place safe and sound, or at least it should, no matter what a delivery guy does to it. Also inside you will find an instruction manual. Please have a read, there's a lot of information on how to prep a device for its first use, how to operate it and so on, so definitely worth looking at. Alright, so if you found this information useful, just leave me a comment in the comment section what other equipment you want me to test and I'll do it for you. I thank you guys very much for watching and I see you next time.